We're at the Jackson Ramp Skyway elevator. This is an old Otis. Oh, I was right, see?
Fan.
B1. Try 1A.
Okay.
Here we go. Whoa, that was weird. All right, let's go 5A. There's security over there. All right, there's security and there's Jason. What floor do we get onto, A?
Yeah, probably.
3A.
I wonder if there's another elevator because it's A levels.
I don't really care about snooping through this place. This is weird.
3A
It's
is
leveling. Look, it's leveling. This is a weird running elevator and a brick wall. Go down to 3A.
This is kind of a chromey mod.
Yeah, it is. It's smooth though. Look, see, it's moving. 4, 3. Now it's slowing down. You can barely feel it slowing down. It's smooth.
I don't even feel it, no. And it's leveling now.
I'll have to say this is a very smooth elevator.
Smooth mod. Not a fan of the buttons though.
Yeah, I don't really care for the buttons. It's a smooth elevator.
Yeah.
There it goes, and that'll be it.
That's it.
The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.